Hi everyone, Mel from Sweeney Hire, and I'm in a different location today, not outside in the yard. I've actually got a clip of Tom giving a run through of the rotary hoe with a client yesterday afternoon, so I was like, perfect opportunity to record this and get it up on YouTube. So in the next clip you will see the edited version of Tom running through the Honda handheld rotary hoe. Pretty cool little machine, and I'll just point out my mug because why not? I don't know if you can read that because it's backwards, but great things never come from your comfort zone, and I think the last 3 years has definitely taught us that. So yeah, stay watching for the video. Thanks guys.
So you have the you got your choke down here. So it's just little arrows there pointing in the right direction. So your choke's down there this way, and then petrol is that way. And then there won't be any, just like the normal Honda engines, there won't be any switch down there, but there is an on and off switch up here. So you just put it onto the on, and then it's just a normal pull then with your choke. But I'll just run through the controls first before we start it up. If you get into soft ground, that's actually a differential lock. It'll actually lock the wheels, but just don't leave it on for too long, only when you're in the soft ground, and then take it back off. That's your throttle high and low. That's to make the machine, depending on what gear you have it in, is to make to turn the wheels and to turn the rotary hoe as well at the same time. And then that's obviously your gear selection. So you've got two neutrals, and then you've got a position over here. Get it in, and then that just drives the wheels only, and then that drives the operating the wheels in first gear, and it drives the actual rotary hoe part. And then you can come down to here, that's the second gear. So really I don't really use that a lot myself. It actually drags you along. I can't really even walk that fast, tell you the truth. And then you've got a reverse over there then. So that's basically your gear selection. So number one probably I generally go in if I'm just moving around the yard or whatever. And then that's number one, and then that's the operating of these lads down here, the rotary hoe part. And then that lad then just sets for your height, just loosen off this lad, and up and down on this then for your heights. And that's pretty much it. We'll just give it a fire up then. That's your give it a little bit of chopper. You don't need that. So just going backwards from there.
I want to have a look.
So you know where I'm coming on.
So guys, there you have it. That is how to use and start the rotary hoe. We hope you enjoyed watching this video, and let us know if you have any videos you would like us to prioritize editing and getting up onto the YouTube channel. And we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Cheers.